In this video, we'll see what are keyword arguments and what are variable length arguments. So before moving on to the code, we'll understand what are keyword arguments. So keyword arguments are nothing but whenever we call a function, we pass some values. So those values must be initialized with a keyword. Okay, and these values, whatever we call inside a function, that should be mapped with the function definition. Okay, so let's see the code. Def display a comma b, print a comma b. Okay, now I'll be calling the function 20 hot. So as I said, we need to pass these values to a keyword. Okay, let's pass it to the keyword. Let's say b equal to 20, a equal to 40. So this is a function definition and this is a function calling. So both function definition and function calling must be mapped. Okay, so b should be mapped with function call, and here a should be mapped with the function call. So the output will be a equal to 40, b equal to 20. Okay, if I run it, a equal to 40, b equal to 20. Okay, so this is what keyword arguments are all about. So just what I have explained is we have to give keywords instead of directly passing the values like this. We are giving the keywords here. Okay, instead of directly passing the values like required arguments, we are passing the keywords. Okay, like this. Okay, in required arguments we used to see for the position of the function definition arguments. Okay, but here we are passing the keywords. Okay, based on the keywords, they are these values are assigned to respective arguments here. Okay, so this is all about keyword arguments. So the next argument is a variable length arguments. Okay, let me comment this out. First we'll see the code. Let's say variable a. Okay, I have given a single parameter a. So this is a function definition and I'm printing a. Okay, so next we'll be calling the function. So I'll be calling 3. So that will return 3. Okay, so that will be returning the 3. Okay, if I pass another value, let's say b, comma c, comma d. Okay, if I call now or if I run it, it will throw an error because I have not passed any values here. Let's pass it. Okay, 4 values are passed, but I have also need to print it out here. Okay, so if I run it, that will print 4 values. But this is cumbersome and this is not an effective way of passing the parameters. Okay, instead of doing this, what we have to do is we have to give a single parameter or a single argument, and by passing a single argument we can give n number of arguments. So before an argument we have to place a star. Okay, now if now we can pass n number of arguments. Let's say 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 34. Okay, now if I pass it, it will return a tuple. See. Okay, so this is what variable length arguments are. Just by passing a asterisk or a star before an argument, you can give n number of parameters and you can execute n number of parameters like this, and that will return a tuple. Okay, so this is how we can use variable length arguments. So this is all about arguments in Python. So if you like this video, please share and subscribe. Thank you.